Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Buick Envision Preferred Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z9744XX. 21,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Chili red metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving the balance of a 4-year, 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You'll also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Envision's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seats 5, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat, folds flat with the pull of a handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This preferred group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate control, power seat, along with a power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. A manual tilt and wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Large glove box with the owner's manual. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.